Welcome to guys my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard drivers easily from officially site, which is www.gigabyte.com. You can see. So first come to this website, then you can see right inside corner search button. You just search and then you type your model number which is you require the driver, then hit enter. Now your model number motherboard searching. Then guys click to product. Then guys click to here the model number motherboard. Then guys click to support. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 11. If you have any, you can watch this video and install, because installations process same. Chipset driver, so try to first one. Okay, just click to download. So guys, you can see 96.5, this is chipset driver and it is downloaded. Just single click and double click to open. So this is that driver is extracted, so we can't install directly. You have to require the administrator rights, so you have to just double click it. Now I'm sure you like require this. Okay, and then click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system, so it can easily install it. Okay, for chipset driver this is 100% required C++, otherwise it can't install it. Now it is done. Close means done.